Have you noticed something strange happening lately? More and more wealthy people, successful investors, and financially intelligent individuals are quietly moving their money, changing where they store it, changing what they invest in, and completely shifting their financial strategy. And the scary part is, most ordinary people have absolutely no idea why this is happening. While millions of people are still following the same old financial advice they have been taught for decades: work hard, save money in the bank, trust the system, and hope everything will somehow work out. Smart money is doing the exact opposite. And history shows that whenever wealthy people start moving their money in silence, something big is usually coming. Think about it for a second. Inflation keeps rising year after year, meaning every dollar sitting in your savings account is quietly losing value every single day. Banks continue offering interest rates that barely keep up with reality. Governments keep printing more money, markets are becoming more unpredictable, and economic uncertainty is spreading faster than ever before. But while average people ignore these warning signs, wealthy individuals understand something that most people never realize. Cash sitting still is becoming one of the biggest financial risks in the modern world. The rich understand that money is not meant to sleep. Money is supposed to move, grow, multiply, and work for you. And that is exactly why so many financially educated people are shifting away from traditional savings accounts and looking toward assets that can protect and expand their wealth. Some are moving into stocks, others into real estate, some into businesses, some into precious metals like gold, others into digital assets. And some are diversifying across multiple opportunities because they understand one brutal truth. If your money stays in the wrong place while the economy changes around you, you slowly become poorer without even realizing it. And here is what makes this even more dangerous. By the time the average person notices what is happening, the opportunity is usually already gone. This pattern has repeated itself over and over throughout history. During recessions, during inflation crises, during market crashes, and during periods of massive wealth transfer. And every single time, the financially educated moved first while everyone else reacted too late. Right now, we are seeing the same warning signs again, but most people are distracted by everyday life and never stop to ask the most important question. Where is smart money going? And why are financially successful people changing their strategy so fast? Because they know that the world of money is changing rapidly. Old systems are becoming weaker, traditional financial habits are becoming outdated, and the people who fail to adapt are usually the ones who suffer the most when major economic shifts happen. The uncomfortable reality is simple. Saving money alone will not build wealth anymore. Following outdated advice will not create financial freedom. And trusting the system without understanding how money actually works is one of the fastest ways to stay financially stuck for life. The difference between wealthy people and average people is not luck. It is information, timing, and understanding where money needs to go before everyone else realizes what is happening. Imagine spending years working hard, saving carefully, sacrificing your time and energy, only to watch inflation slowly destroy the value of everything you built, while smarter investors position themselves ahead of the next financial shift. That is exactly why understanding where smart money moves is one of the most important financial lessons of our time. The people who learn early position themselves for opportunity, while the people who ignore the warning signs usually spend years trying to recover from decisions they never understood in the first place. So the real question is not whether the financial world is changing, because it already is. The real question is whether you will stay trapped following old advice that keeps most people financially average forever, or whether you will start learning the same wealth principles that financially intelligent people use to protect and multiply their money before it is too late. And if you want to understand how money really works, how the wealthy think differently, and how you can build financial freedom instead of staying stuck in the same cycle as everyone else, make sure you subscribe right now, because on this channel we break down the hidden rules of money, wealth, investing, and financial freedom that most people never learn until it is far too late.